Former Wrestling Federation of India chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh on Monday said that the case of alleged sexual harassment against him is now in the court that will do its work. I do not want to comment on this as it is now under the court's consideration. The matter is in the court and the court will do its work, Singh told ANI. The remark came after the protesting wrestlers announced to withdraw their protest against him, stating that the government has fulfilled its promise of filing a charge sheet against Singh, a 6-time BJP MP whom they have accused of sexual harassment. Top wrestlers Vinesh Fogart, Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia, in identical tweets, said that the fight will now be fought in court, not on the roads. Malik took to Twitter on Sunday to state that the battle will now be fought in the courts and not on the roads till justice is delivered. The flood situation in Assam showed signs of improvement as the number of affected people came down to about 2.70 lakh, an official bulletin said on Sunday. No rivers were in spate in the state, with the number of affected districts also coming down to 14 in the last 24 hours. Union Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to Assam CM Himant Biswa Sarma and assured him of all possible help to deal with the flood situation. Incessant rainfall causing flash floods, landslides and mud flows have cut off road links to many parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Officials in Meghalaya said that 9 people had been killed in rain-induced disasters. Incessant rains triggered a landslide on the Manali-Kullu National Highway, forcing authorities to block the highway on Monday. As per officials, hundreds of commuters were stranded near Aut in Himachal Pradesh's Mandi district as the highway was blocked following flash floods. Due to heavy downpour, flash floods were witnessed in Khotinalla near Aut on the Pando-Kullu stretch, news agencies reported. Meanwhile, conditions are favourable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and remaining parts of Jammu and Kashmir during the next 2 days, according to the Indian Meteorological Department's weather forecast issued Monday morning. In Jammu and Kashmir's Ramban district, following landslides due to heavy rainfall, the movement of vehicular traffic on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway was suspended on Monday morning. Sources said that incessant heavy rains triggered shooting stones and landslides near Cafeteria More, Ramban, disrupting the movement of vehicular traffic. More than 6 months after the first Saturn Dharna in Delhi's Jantar Mantar, accusing the sidelines Wrestling Federation of India chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh of sexually harassing female grapplers, the wrestlers have called off their protest. They will now continue their fight in the court, not on the roads. India's top grapplers Vinesh Fogart, Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia posted an identical tweet where they said that the government has fulfilled its promise of filing a charge sheet against Singh. In this case, the wrestlers will continue till we get justice, but the fight will be in court and not on the road. The statement on Twitter read, "Regarding the reform in WFI, the election process as promised has begun. We will wait for the fulfillment of promises made by the government regarding the July 11 elections." Minutes after posting the statement, Vinesh and Sakshi tweeted that they are taking a break from social media for a few days. After being removed from Jantar Mantar on May 28, the wrestlers had suspended their protest till June 15 after getting assurance from Sports Minister Anurag Thakur that a charge sheet will be filed against Singh by then and none of his family members will be allowed to contest the WFI elections.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.